Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Grow services. Grow Personal Loan Review, a look back at my usage experience. Grow was a Canadian online lender that specialized in personal loans, emphasizing fast approvals and a streamlined digital application. They offered loans ranging from $1,000 to $50,000, with repayment terms spanning from 6 months to 5 years. Interest rates were determined by the applicant's creditworthiness, typically starting at around 4.8% April for borrowers with excellent credit. This made Grow a competitive choice compared to traditional banking institutions. Grow employed an AI-powered risk assessment model, enabling applicants with solid financial histories to secure more favorable rates. One of Grow's standout features was its fully digital process. Users could complete the online application in minutes and obtain pre-approval without impacting their credit score. Upon approval, funds were typically disbursed within 24 to 48 hours. Borrowers benefited from fixed monthly payments, which simplified budgeting. Furthermore, Grow did not impose prepayment penalties, allowing for early loan repayment without incurring additional fees. The platform also incorporated financial wellness tools designed to help users monitor their spending habits and improve their overall financial well-being. Grow loans were particularly well-suited for Canadians requiring swift access to funds, bypassing the often lengthy procedures associated with traditional banks. It presented an excellent option for individuals with good credit seeking a structured loan with competitive interest rates. However, potential borrowers with lower credit scores might have encountered higher interest rates or even loan application rejection due to Grow's stringent credit assessment criteria. The most significant drawback is that Grow discontinued operations in 2019, with its technology subsequently acquired by other financial institutions. Consequently, Grow personal loans are no longer available. If you are currently in the market for a personal loan, rest assured that numerous alternative online lenders offer comparable services. I've included links to some current loan options in the description below, so you can find a loan that fits your specific needs.